Frozen beef kofta recipe. Beef keema 1 kg. Green chili 3 to 5. Ginger garlic paste 0.1 tb. Onion 1. Turmeric powder 1 tb. Chili flakes half tbs. Coriander powder 1 tbs. 0.1 tbs. Red chili powder half tbs. AJ Wayne pinch of. Gram masala powder 1 tbs. Salt to taste. Sabzdania as a required. Podina leaves. 2 bread slice. Like, share, and subscribe. Kofta shapes. Frozen to overnight. Ready to frozen kofta and save poly bags via airtight container. Enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.